Hi, my name is Damilu Musa. I am a program officer. I would like to talk about project management and project cycle management. So I'm going to give the conceptual definition of project management and project cycle management. Throughout my career, I've been able to implement a number of projects such as PACF, impact projects, sweep, farm passages projects, minority interest rights projects, and coalition for minority rights. So I've used the principles of project management to be able to implement these projects that I have just mentioned. So I'd like to share the understanding of project management and also project cycle management. So I'll give the conceptual definition of project management and then project cycle management. So what is project management? A project is a self-contained set of activities to achieve defined objectives within a fixed time frame and budget. And then a project cycle management is all of the phases from the beginning to the end of a project, from context to closure. Project cycle management is the process of planning and managing project resources to deliver specific outcomes. In my subsequent videos, I am going to outline the activities that take place in the various phases of project cycle project management. I'll talk about the project management briefly. I want to say that there are phases of project cycle management, and the method or the model, it varies actually from one organization to another organization. Some organizations will say that there are 5 stages of project cycle management. Another organization will say there are 6 stages of project cycle management, and some might say that there are 4 stages of project cycle management. Well, I'm going to give the phases of project cycle management based on my experience and based on what I've learned over the years. So there are 4 phases of project cycle management. This is what I am going to look into. There's the design, there's the planning, there is the implementation, and there's the closure. So under each of these phases of project cycle management, there are activities to be carried out, there are analysis to be done, there are tools that would be used in the various phases. So I'm going to summarize it probably I'll come up with more details about this project cycle management. So, as I mentioned, I am going to give a brief about the various phases of the project cycle management. Under design, there's needs assessment, data collection using KII, FGD, and survey as methods of data collection and needs assessment. One other thing is the type of data to be used. So there is the secondary data, there is the primary data, there is the qualitative data, and there is quantitative data. So we also have a problem tree, stakeholders analysis, objective tree, theory of change, log frame, M&E plan, force field analysis, SWOT analysis. So that is it for the first phase of the project cycle management. So I'm going to move to the second phase of project cycle management. So under it, which is the planning as a phase of project cycle management. After it under it we have the risks register, work breakdown structure, network diagram, Gantt chart, work plan, project implementation plan, budget, financial plan, logistics, schedule development, scope planning. So that is that for the planning phase of project cycle management. Now we will go to the implementation phase of project cycle management. Under it, we have issues log, RASI matrix, indicators performance tracking table, key performance indicators, evaluation. Evaluation has been categorized into real-time evaluation, midterm evaluation, final evaluation. So I'll move to the next stage, which is closure of the project. So under the closure of the project, what needs to be done are transition planning matrix, lessons learned, action review, sustainable plan checklist, closure, handover, extension,